Snot what you think. Hey guys, Justin with Backyard Bushcraft. Stick around to the end of the video. I got a new little segment I added. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments, whatever your preference is, if you have any. So like I said, it's not what you think. I recently went camping a few weeks ago with some friends of mine up in Roscoe, and I was able to bring some things that I don't typically get to use while I'm home. One of those items is Hot Snot, fire lube in a tube. One of the most important skills I believe that you must possess to be able to live comfortably outside, besides gathering and making a shelter, is being able to start a fire. Whether it's with matches or a lighter or a ferrocerium rod, or you want to rub some type of sticks together or use something like this, fire lube in a tube. Making a fire, in my opinion, is probably one of the most important skills as an outdoor enthusiast that you should know. So I have a lightly edited video of me camping with a couple of my friends. We're testing out the Hot Snot. We're all pretty surprised at how well it worked. I hope you liked the video. If you do, hit that like button. But definitely stick around to the end. Let me know what you think, and I'll let you know how you can get your hands on some of this and some of the other things that I've been working with or working on the last couple of months. Okay, so just getting ourselves set up here, and I got this stuff. It's been sitting in my garage for, I don't know, like 2 years. Hot Snot, fire lube in a tube. We're gonna try it out.
You gotta tell me to lie so I don't curse, you know?
Dude, you can curse.
No,
I can always block you out. It's not made for kids.
I don't want the, you're recording right now?
No.
I'm recording.
Oh, is it? All right, great. It's got me processing some wood. Perfect. Okay, so I've processed some wood. Obviously, if you haven't seen my video on how to properly make a fire, check it out. I'll put a link in the video. But we're gonna try this fire. What's it called? Dave, what's it called? Fire lube in a tube.
Fire lube in a tube.
I'm gonna try this fire lube in a tube, and if it's no bueno, I got some backup firewood here to help the process.
So this tentacle, this is the handle.
Easy to use, will not flare. Handy to carry. All right.
I bought another bigger one. They're real. Fine as shit.
Looks like toothpaste. So there it is. All right, that's the fire lube in a tube. And we're gonna set this thing on fire. We're gonna get it going. See what happens. Oh, you know what? Let's do this. I'm not gonna put an open flame to it. Let's I'm gonna smear it on the wood. See how it takes to a ferrocerium rod. Look at that.
Wow, they lit right up.
One strike.
Strike.
How you like them apples?
I just said holy, you said holy shit, I said holy strike.
Well, you just said holy shit.
Now I did. But before I said holy strike. You can edit it or you can keep it on. I said holy strike first.
There you go. Wow, that was pretty good. Pretty impressive. All right, so I am not endorsed by this company. I think I got this in like a, I think I got this in one of those battle boxes. I used to have a subscription service to BattleBox. I sent you guys an application. Let's do some work together. And this is where this came from. So fire lube in a tube, pretty cool.
What a difference, huh? Look at the size of this one, Justin.
Oh yeah. Awesome. We got a fire going. So that's it. Fire lube in a tube. Hot Snot. Works really well. As you saw, one strike of the ferrocerium rod. I had a a flame instantly, and I was able to maintain the fire pretty much all weekend long. So I am an Amazon associate. I'll have a link in the description of how you can get this Hot Snot. I believe it's about $12 to $13. I appreciate if you do buy it. I do get a commission if you do. Helps me, helps the channel, and like I said, there will be other links that you can click along as well. Also, don't forget, we have the holidays coming up right around the corner, and if you want to grab some of the best gear out there, whether it's fire starters or fire lube, survival rope, don't forget to click the link in my description as well. You get 10% off any one of these companies I'm about to mention. You have Blackbeard fire starters, which I do have a video about that. I also have Titan Survival, 10% off your entire order. These guys make some of the best survival paracord out there. And more importantly, you have American Survivalist. This is any survival gear, any outdoor gear that you could pretty much think of. I'll have all the links in my description. If you click on the link and you put in the little discount code, which I will also have in my description, you will get 10% off your entire order on any one of those items that you buy. So that's going to wrap it up for me today, guys. Like I said, short and sweet. Just wanted to show you guys how the Hot Snot was really effective in getting a fire started very quickly for me. I did have some backup fire starters with me. I didn't even need to use that. So again, if you liked the video, smash the like button, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and more importantly, ring that bell so you're notified every single time I make a new video. I really appreciate you checking me out today. This is Justin with Backyard Bushcraft, signing out.